everyone, we are your grade 11 reps.
And we wanted to congratulate all of you who participated in our egg drop challenge.
It was great to see that a lot of you did participate and many had fun. And now we'll announce the winners.
To start off, Mr. Stevenson Advisory wins the unique category for using a tissue box with rulers surrounding it.
Ms. Good's Advisory wins the slowest fall category with their largest parachute.
Ms. Granfeld's Advisory wins the creativity category for attaching a lantern to the bottom of their device.
Ms. Graciano's Advisory wins the category for smallest crack with the smoothest fall.
And last but definitely not least, Ms. Pittman's Advisory wins the most aesthetically pleasing category. They had the coolest design, which allows their egg to bounce to a steady stop.
Good job everyone, and if you did win, then you'll be awarded lollipops and house points.
But if you did not, then do not worry, there are more events to come.
Also, everyone, only 9 advisories participated in this event, so next time let's all join in.